Onyx is 7, and he came to me in a really poor condition. He was only young, only 5 years, and he came to me in a really poor condition. His head looked too big for his neck. You could see his ribs, but he was such a sweet boy, such a sweet boy. And he's got damage on his withers. We don't know whether it's from his harness not fitting right or his rug. But that is scar tissue. It's rubbed so much that the colour doesn't even grow through anymore. And he's got some more damage on his tail. I'll just round his tail, that's just there. And that side. And he's got another patch, if we can see it, because of the sun and the mud. There, just there. So he came to me. He'd got sores on his chest as well, and I think it's not been as bad. What is he's such a poor boy. That's awful. And that was all bright white, and I've used some CBD lotion on it, and it's started to come through black, but it's not growing through perfectly. They'll never heal. And he's such a sweet boy. I was stood in that space there and he's fine with me being so close to him. So that's Onyx. And he's been a bit food aggressive. He's not so much now. He does like his food, or his snap as we call it in Derbyshire. But he's not aggressive with us, or just other horses. So that's Onyx.